Good afternoon, judges. This is Arjun Dhawan from team Bit.fy, and our problem statement for today is plagiarism test in 3D models. So here, first I'm gonna initialize this rect terminals. Then I'm gonna start my Flask server. Then I'm going to start my salary task broker so as to pass the messages which are received. Let's open a local host, and as you can see we have like two input fields in which you can select your obj files and you can send them to the ML model using Celery queue, and it will only return after the Celery queue has processed it. We have used our algorithm, we have used methodology of converting the 3D objects into 2D by Blender CLI, and then it will convert the 3D model into 2D images into 6 different axes, which are x minus, y minus, and z minus. So right now I'm going to demonstrate a 100% plagiarism by uploading the same models in the input files. Alright, here the loader works. As you can see, the backend has received the post request and it is right now generating those screenshots which are like the images that we want from Blender in order to run our ML model onto it. Now as you can see, the Celery has received this task of running this ML model with the provided parameters and in the inputs, and as you can see it's currently working and it's generating some images so as to check our results. Our model contains these lines so as to test the similarity between the twos. It uses CNNs and KNNs in order to distinguish the two. And now as we can see, we have succeeded it in 19 seconds. So if we render it on our front end, you can see both the model are 100% similar. And also we have this 3GS embedded file, canvas, which basically has the model rendered on our HTML page using canvas. You can see the 100% result because obviously those both are the same files, and here are some of the screenshots that we matched, like which has the best accuracy and the most similarity in between all. Now for example, if you want to run another, it's like we will do it for different file. One will be a piano and the other one is going to be a aeroplane model. So it will obviously produce 0% plagiarism because both models are different. So as you can see, my backend just received the post request with the object files, and it has saved the images, and now we can see our Celery has received the task and it's currently matching them with the corresponding images from both the models, both the 3D models in fact. And we can just see the model is the front end says it's loading because the ML part is currently executing. Now it says succeeded and the ML part, the front end part renders it. You can definitely see the piano here and the aeroplane model here, and it is not plagiarized because obviously it's 0% similar. You can run the same for different cases, such as somewhat similarity, which might be like 60 to 80%. Let's take for an example a plane which doesn't have a wing, so as to reduce the plagiarism. We can insert this and we can run this on our ML model using Celery, but first we will have to produce those images. As you can see, it's quite fast. We have used Docker to use RabbitMQ as the message broker, and as you can see, message broker received the task and it's currently running the ML algorithm.